trying to get the so this is the night before work on Thursday, and we've gotten about 6 inches of snow. This is just after work in the last clip, and we have gotten 6 to 6.5 inches here in Cochran. I don't know if I mean, it's a lot. I mean, it's piled up on my car a lot. I'm just defrosting my car the night before, so in the morning it's not crazy getting into the office. So let's see if we can even get in. Let's see if we can even drive forward. Let's see if I can get some light for you folks. Okay, okay. We're going forward. Crazy. I mean, completely snowed in. Oh my gosh. This is insane. I mean, guys. See you guys at work in the morning.